Building a consistent AI character is no longer optional. It's essential if you're serious about creating content. The moment a character's face or appearance changes between scenes, the emotion and value of the entire story fall apart. That's why major AI platforms are focusing heavily on character consistency, and OpenArt Character 2.0 is a clear step forward. In today's video on Think AI Today, you'll see why creating a dedicated character model is the right path for professional, long-term content. I've placed the software link in the video description. I started by selecting an image from my computer and choosing the Dream 4.5 model. Then I uploaded the image into the Omni reference section and used a simple prompt. Example prompt: a girl holding a bouquet of flowers in a supermarket, whispering to it as if sharing a heart with a life partner. Camera angle: tilted. You can select how many images you want to generate, then just click the Create Image button. The result? The character's face remains consistent across multiple images. Even when the camera angle changes and the original image is just a front-facing shot, the AI still maintains the character's face consistently. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Basically, it's only slightly different from the previous version. Just like before, we'll start with an image. In this example, I'll create images for the character Kate. There are two ways to do this. In this first example, I'll use just one initial image and build the entire model from it. I'll show you what happens when you do it this way. In the primary image field, upload a single image. No need to add more images in the additional reference section. Click the Build My Character button. Instantly, the AI generates multiple perspectives of the same character: front view, close-up, full body, back view, and more. This approach ensures consistency, saves time, and allows you to control results instead of relying on trial and error. Once you're satisfied, click Looks Good to finalize the model and give it a name, e.g., Kate. Note: the AI isn't locked into the original outfit. If you don't request changes, it will keep the same outfit for consistency throughout. In the background story section, you can briefly describe the character's personality, like a friendly and sociable girl, though it's optional. Click Save Character to save the character model. Once the model is saved, you can generate character images, create singing or lip-sync videos, use magic effects. I'll give the magic effect feature a try. It has many cool effects, but I won't go in depth today. In the left-hand menu, choose Characters Kate, Create. I entered the prompt: a close-up of Kate sitting on a chair, drinking water in a fancy restaurant. In the Upload Reference Images section, no need to add more images. If you want her to hold something, you can upload an image of that object in this box. In the Generation Modes section, there are two modes: fast image generation and high-quality image generation, but the difference between them is not very significant. Here, we can choose the aspect ratio and the output quality, either 2K or 4K. As for the model, today I will choose the Dream 4.5 model. Dream 4.5 is truly excellent at maintaining character consistency. This section is used to adjust the number of images you want to generate. After checking that everything is set correctly, click the Create button. The result? 2 images are created with the same outfit and a consistent face, crucial for storytelling projects. Want the character to interact with an object? Just drop the image of that object into the Upload Reference Images section. For example, an image of a fizz-up soda can. Prompt: Kate wearing a blue t-shirt, black jeans, sitting on a stool and holding a soda can. When typing the @ the system suggests reference assets, character models or objects. Just click the reference you want. No need for lengthy descriptions. And here is an image of the girl holding a soda can. The next strength of Character 2.0 is how easy it is to add multiple characters into the same image. You just need to click Add Character and choose from the models you created before. To be more specific, you can select characters made in older versions, and the system will automatically regenerate them with additional viewing angles to improve consistency. Click on the 3-dot icon and choose Edit, and the system will upgrade the character with multiple different angles, similar to the step where I created images for the character Kate earlier. I've already upgraded these characters to the new version. Now back to the creative process. It's still the character Kate, but this time I add the character Max to create an image with 2 characters. I will enter the prompt. Kate and Max are sitting and talking on a stone bench in the park, with a giraffe sitting behind them, watching. This is an image with 2 characters, Kate and Max. The convenience here is that we don't need to search for each reference image saved on the computer and upload them again. Everything is already available here. So far, we've only used a single original image, with the character facing directly toward the camera. Now I'll try uploading a few more reference images to see how it works. I'll upload another base image, then add reference images from several different angles, including images that were uploaded earlier. The character now has a clear set of multiple viewing angles. Finally, click Build My Character. Since I'm already familiar with this face, I can see that the facial accuracy is represented much better. I will name this character Kate 1. In the background story section, I enter, "She is very cool." Going back to the image generation part from earlier, I copied the exact prompt that was used to create the image of Kate and Max sitting in the park, and only changed one detail. The female character is now Kate 1. What do you think about the image that was just generated? Of course, if Kate 1 is uploaded with additional reference images, the consistency will be higher, but it's also quite hard for most people to notice the difference. Personally, I only noticed that very minor difference, because I'm already familiar with Kate's face. Now I'll continue with another example demonstrating the feature of generating video from a start frame and an end frame. The model I'm using is Kling01. Ideally, I would use two images of Kate sitting and drinking in a restaurant as the start frame and the end frame, but in this case, I'll only use one image as the start frame. I'll leave the end frame empty to see whether the video breaks logic significantly or not. I entered the prompt. A girl is drinking a beverage in a restaurant, then she stands up and walks toward the exit, and a lion runs over to block her way. I checked the option to generate audio for the video. As you can see, even without an end frame, the logical inconsistency is minimal. It's simply that the lion seems to notice the girl is about to leave, so he rushes ahead to block the path. The most important reason to use Character 2.0 is that you're building a complete AI character, not just generating isolated images. All reference images are already stored in the model, so there's no need to reload them each time. The character's face and features maintain a much higher level of consistency. When needed, you simply select the character from the list and start working immediately. Once the character reaches this level of consistency, applying the start frame and frame technique to generate videos becomes far more effective and much easier to control. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss any updates from the Think AI Today channel. Stay curious, stay updated, and see you in the next video as we continue exploring the world of AI.